In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hostinger's DNS Zone Editor. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. Once you're inside, head to the Domains section. This is where you'll find the domain management area for any domains connected to your account. If you manage more than one domain, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one before making any changes, since DNS settings affect how your domain connects to websites, email services, and other online tools. After that, click on DNS. This will open the DNS Zone Editor, which is the area where you can view and manage your domain's DNS records. These records control where different parts of your domain point. For example, some records connect your domain to a website, while others may be used for email verification, subdomains, or third-party services. Once you're in the DNS Zone Editor, feel free to explore the available options. You'll typically see a list of existing records that are already active for your domain. This is helpful because it lets you review your current setup before adding anything new. It's always a good idea to double-check the record values you plan to use, especially if they were provided by a hosting provider, email platform, or another service. If you want to add a new DNS record, start by selecting the record type. Depending on what you need, this might be an A record, CNAME, TXT record, MX record, or another available option. After selecting the type, enter the necessary details in the required fields. These details usually include things like the name or host, the value or target, and sometimes the TTL setting. Make sure everything is entered exactly as provided, since even a small typo can prevent the record from working correctly. When everything looks good, click Add Record to save it. After saving, keep in mind that DNS changes may not apply instantly. In many cases, they need some time to propagate, so it's normal if the update doesn't appear to work right away. You can also edit existing DNS records in this same area. To do that, simply find the record you want to update and click the edit icon next to it. Then make the necessary changes, review them carefully, and save the updated record. That's how to use Hostinger's DNS Zone Editor to add and edit DNS records quickly and correctly.